Nick Milani, Executive Director here at Crestron Electronics. Really excited to share with you new news regarding our UC product line. You know, what we've brought over the last couple of years is really the ability to run native experiences with Microsoft Teams, Skype for Business, and Zoom, while also giving you flexible BYOD options for all the different UC partners that are out there. We really break the solution down into two areas. We've got our smart soundbar, which is ideal for small and medium room spaces. And part of the beauty of this solution is how easy it attaches to the wall, very simple to install, but has unbelievably good quality audio and video performance. As we move beyond the small and medium room, we've got our MX series, and this is our tabletop system. And you know, one of the beauties of this device is a 20-foot microphone pickup range, so it's really great. 20, 25-person rooms, optional mic pods gets you to a 30-person space. Great audio quality paired to a Hudley camera, and unique to this new MX model is not only do I have the one-touch to join of a traditional kind of Teams experience, but in the case that your employee needs to use something other than the native Microsoft, they can simply come in, plug in their laptop device to this, and what it'll do is extend the desktop up through the room. And what that allows you to do is choose the camera that's in the room, and I'll actually be taking over the camera and allowing me to use the room for a BYOD experience. This means when I need to join via WebEx for that one call with that one client, I still have the option, but using the same equipment in the room, adding additional value for customers. One last thing worth noting this year at the event is our new partnership with Logitech. So customers have asked for greater variety, greater choice when choosing peripherals for spaces. We've partnered with Logitech to meet in the marketplace and help customers have more options to use their devices while still putting that under the XIO Cloud Management System. A single pane of glass to manage all of your endpoints, provision, deploy, analyze, you name it. Another benefit is it gives you access to those smart rooms. Unique to Crestron is our ability to page flip. Control more than just the UC experience, but also control the room, lighting, shades, environmental, as an example. All these solutions can be found on our webpage at crestron.com/flex.